Effortlessly clean your microwave with lemon water. Hey everyone, I recently discovered an incredibly simple yet effective hack for cleaning your microwave, and I just had to share it with you all. What you'll need: 1 lemon, 1 cup of water, microwave safe bowl. Steps: 1. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl of water. 2. Drop the lemon halves into the bowl as well. 3. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat on high for 3 to 5 minutes. The water should boil and the microwave should be steamy. 4. Let it sit for a couple of minutes to cool down slightly. 5. Carefully remove the bowl and wipe down the inside of the microwave with a damp cloth or sponge. The steam will have loosened any food splatters and the lemon will leave a fresh scent. This hack has made microwave cleaning so much easier for me. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you.